Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with me today is a 2019 Audi A6 Premium. This is finished in a Florette silver metallic. S-Line exterior badging, and this is equipped with the 20-inch sport package, so you get the 20-inch 10-spoke wheels up front, and again the S-Line aesthetics. It's also going to include the 15mm drop on the suspension. All the wheels are in good shape. No curb rash, anything like that. And same with the passenger front right here. And to the interior, black leather interior. You've got a gray contrast stitching there on the seats and the door panels. You've got memory settings for the driver's seat. Got power lumbar support. We've got the fine grain ash natural wood inlays. And on the 19 models, they updated all the screens and climate control to haptic touch. So nice upgrades in the 19s. You have your heated front seats. This is optioned with convenience package. And you'll see there just under 88,000 miles on the odometer. Alright folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.